Hey, it's Bearski, and I'm going to be showing you all of the environments you can access on your Quest 2, 3, and 3S, plus some bonus ones that'll show you how to get at the end of the video. What are the bonus ones? You'll have to wait and see. Is this video even worth it? No idea, but I hope you'll find it useful. You might not even know you can change your home environment. First up, we got Oceanarium. You're in a house under the sea with fish, with whales and turtles. Yes, there is underwater noises here. So thumbs up, it's a decent one. Next up is Lakeside Peak, virtual camping ground. For those of you that want the outdoors for your indoors. Devs are a bit out of touch. The skybox doesn't even change. What's the skybox? Just keep watching, I'll show you what I mean. The Great Sand Sea. You get this when you purchase Asgard's Wrath 2. You can use my code in the description if you're interested for a proper single-player MMO. It was a launch title for the Quest 3. Really good. But, you know, the environment itself, it's like the last camping ground. But now you're in a desert. Again, the skybox doesn't change, so I'm giving it a thumbs down. Storybook. It's some sort of elven storybook hut. It's not the worst. It's pretty mid. That's just in my honest opinion. Now we have the Blue Hill Gold Mine. It's dark, decent ambience, but it's kind of weird for a home environment, and the skybox doesn't change here as well. It's alright. The Meta Horizon Terrace. This is the Quest 3 default home environment. It's bright, decent with fireworks in the background. Honestly, it's a thumbs up. I mean, it's supposed to be the Horizon Worlds city there, but it gives you the feeling of a future utopia vibes that feels pretty on brand for VR as a whole. Looking behind you, you get this weird Mobius strip made of ooze. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's a pretty decent home environment. Futurescape. It's a blend of future-esque home with some gardening and outdoor living. I really enjoy the blend, and the designer, whoever that designed it, he did a pretty cool job. It's one of my favorite home environments. I really like it. It's pretty cool. Polar Village. Northern Lights looks good. Decent environment for the winter months, and the skybox does change. What the heck is the skybox? Well, finally I can show you what that is. What it is that you can download custom pictures and have it display over the sky. It's really cool. It does a 360 stretch of the picture right across the sky. Now abstraction. It's a really trippy environment. Really cool binaural sounds. It's alright. Definitely a cool addition to the home environment. It's bonus points for the abstract. Next up, we got Cascadia. It's an open terrace looking at palisades and waterfalls. Big fan. It's a vibe, and I appreciate that. Thumbs up from me. Paradiso. Top tier. Oceanic treehouse with a bar. One of my favorites. Top tier. Crystal Atrium. Kind of a dull scheme that has moving crystals. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but I'm giving it a thumbs down. Mountain Study. The bugs are so damn loud in this environment. Why does the VR want us to touch virtual grass so much? I don't know. I'm giving it a thumbs down. Not a fan. Desert Terrace. Honestly, really cool environment. One of the more quieter ones. There's not really much going on, but it is open concept, and the sun is setting with the change of the colors. It's one of my favorites. I really like it. I use this quite a bit myself. Studio, another outdoors cabin-like environment. Not my taste. Thumbs down. Space Station, it's the GOAT. The only environment that really gives you that whoa feeling when you load up into it. You put someone that has never experienced VR into this environment as their first boot up, jump in, it gives a sense of wonder. It's my personal favorite of the standard default ones. Bonus points that the skybox works, and it is really quiet for recording scripts. I really like this one. Oh, by the way, hey, I'm trying to hit 10,000 subs, so it would be awesome if you could subscribe. I mean, if you want to, you could like, dislike, or comment as well. Any engagement really helps the channel. And this video is pretty random, so any help you can do for me would be fantastic. Winter Lodge. Again, I'm Canadian. This is my winter on the ski hills. Been there, actually done that. Thumbs down here. But it is kind of cool throwing a space skybox on it, so it looks like you're trying to ski down an asteroid. So, you know what? I'm gonna say it's decent. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Wouldn't you change that skybox? Ryokan Retreat. It's decent. I always wanted to go and experience Japan, Korea, or Chinese culture. It would be really cool. So the unfamiliarity that this experience gives in VR is pretty cool. So definitely a thumbs up. Quest Dome. This is something more unique and cool. I wish I had some sort of secluded bubble that was overlooking the northern lights on a quiet night. It's tranquil and has character. Cyber City. For some reason, this was the Quest 2 environment that I stuck with. The Future City apartment is cool, has decent ambience. It's a thumbs up for me. And it also has skybox changes. So yeah, easily a thumbs up. Bubbles! So this is the Doomsday environment. If your account ever gets locked, banned, or something is happening with the connection to your server through the Wi-Fi, the Quest will default to this screen. How do I know this? It happened to my Quest 2. I don't know what the heck happened, but for whatever reason, the Quest 2 would not pair to my Quest mobile app. I had to figure out another way to pair, and let me tell you, I have disdain for seeing this screen. Even if it is the only default environment that has no sound for recording. And honestly, because it has no sound, it's great. It's good, but you definitely don't want to see this when you boot into your headset. And the final default home environment. Classic home, weird trees, interesting physics, odd collectibles. Could it be Zuckerberg's actual home? I don't know. Maybe. It's a unique world that has character. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Now for some custom home environments, just to give you some variety. Here's the Doctor's TARDIS traveling through space-time. The effects are really cool, but man, if you want to test your mettle, if you can survive motion sickness, this is the environment for you. Do it at your own risk. The Dark Void. This is my recording environment. You get no sound, no distractions, it's just you and your thoughts and your script. To get special environments, what you need to do is install SideQuest. I do have a link in the description of this guide, how to install SideQuest, and you can do this without a PC or phone. Just make sure you use my guide. Works really good, tested it very recently, it's still working, go ahead. Once you do get SideQuest, what you need to do is open SideQuest from unknown sources. Click on the 3 lines in the top left corner, go to Custom Homes, and find an environment that you like. Click it, then click Download, and that's it. It'll show up in the home environments. There's hundreds of homes here, so you'll find something you'll like for sure. And that's it. Cheers. Bearski out.